chef.
I'll order 6 cups of table 5, 6 scallops, 6 chicken, 6 souffle.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Come on, Stevie.
Yes, chef. Boys, last
Tony,
one, eh? Yes,
don't
chef.
dip
Yes,
in the
chef.
fucking quail eggs. Get some tissue on there, quickly.
Yes, chef.
That's what the eggs are poaching.
yourself,
Keep
you
that for your head. Come on.
Yes, sorry, chef.
Yeah? Fucking hell, man.
I've no eggs here.
Eggs ready?
I've
Come
no
on,
eggs
get them.
here.
Huh?
I need some eggs.
What do you mean?
Fucking hell.
We haven't run out of eggs, have we?
Paddy, have you got any more eggs?
They're 2 carrots.
Have you checked out eggs?
Thieving bastard.
Seriously?
Sabotage.
We had enough eggs in here for 80 fucking portions. How many have you binned?
I've not binned any.
You haven't been. How many of you have cooked then? You lying
Come on.
fucker. Huh? How many? Put them in.
I don't know, Gordon.
Last 2 tables. They're doing a 6, you do a 4. Let's go. Stevie, get your plates out quickly. Paddy, serve an extra slice of scallop per portion. No fucking eggs, yes?
Extra slice per portion. Yeah.
Fucking hell. Plates, so many scallops.
Just 4 scallops?
Yeah, no, not just 1 scallop.
Get on there.
Let's go.
I have to extremely apologize because this is how far as they could actually get it out. So
Where's my eggs?
they kind of run out of quail eggs. So
Yeah, now.
Fucking hell. OK, clear down, yeah? Let's get ready for the main course. How are you, sir? Ladies, good evening. Gentlemen, how are we?
Very well.
Good. Now, how was your starter?
Fantastic.
Yeah, you enjoy it?
Really just thought the flavours, the textures, fantastic. All
Great.
worked really well.
Now, why are you looking so miserable? The arms folded. What's the matter?
Everything was done perfectly.
Right.
There was just too much oil.
That plate does look pretty oily, you're absolutely right. They're supposed to be finished with a little drizzle of vinaigrette, so obviously something's very heavy-handed with the vinaigrette, so...
Okay.
Damn, they give you a puddle, not a drizzle, which is a shame. Darling, how was yours?
Perfect. It
Yes?
really was, yeah.
Something you could
Very
try at
nice, Thank you. I'd be brave. I would give it a go.
I'm glad to hear it. Hope you enjoy the main course. Good to see you.
Really nice mixture of flavours and textures as well.
OK, how well do you think you did? Starters.
We started with crap and we're going to go better.
Yeah. Right, Jose, results, please. Thank you. Right, the number of people, that are willing to pay for the starter out of 50 is 35 out of 50.
Yeah!
Hey, that's not perfect, but it's not bad. Now, get ready to crack on the main course. Let's go.